I propose that Mohammad Jafar Anis and 8 others, including those in absentia, be admitted to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy and Science of this university. Mohammad Jafar Anis in mathematics. Ramesh Kaur in mathematics. Nikhilesh Mitia in mathematics. Devaprasad Majumdar in mathematics. Kakuli Karmakar Shur in mathematics. Amaresh Kundu in mathematics. Ajay Kumar Mandal in chemistry. Anindita Sheet in chemistry. Krishanu Chatterjee in physics.
Social and Management Sciences. Sir, I propose that Sri Amitabh Ghosh and 3 others, including those in absentia, be admitted to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Social and Management Sciences of this university. Sri Amitabh Ghosh, Humanities and Social Sciences. Rajeshri Banerjee, Humanities and Social Sciences. Sanjay Mitra, School of Management Sciences. Chirantan Chattopadhyay, School of Management Sciences.
Mr. Registrar, please present the candidates ranking first in various postgraduate and undergraduate examinations in different disciplines of the university in 2013. Also present the candidates who has received highest marks amongst all the successful candidates of the undergraduate examinations to receive the President's Gold Medal and that of postgraduate examinations to receive Professor A.K. Shil Gold Medal.
May the candidates whose names are called come to the dais and receive their medallions from the Honorable Chancellor. List of PG students who have secured first position in their respective branches and specializations. First, in Master of Engineering in Engineering Mechanics. First, in Master of Engineering in Information Technology, Kamalika Bhattacharya. First, in Master of Engineering in Metallurgy and Materials Engineering, Pritam Kumar Rana. First, in Master of Town and Regional Planning, Subhashish Rao. First, in Master of Technology in Materials Engineering, Chayan Kumar Vishwas. First, in Master of Technology in Mathematics, Jeet Banerjee. Mechatronics, First, in Master of Technology in VLSI Design, Priyojit Mukherjee. First, in Master of Engineering in Structural Engineering, Shagatam Datta. First in Master of Technology in Safety and Occupational Health, Saurabh Ghosh. First in Master of Business Administration, Rushita Chakraborty. First in Master of Science in Chemistry, Kartik Datta. First in Master of Science in Applied Mathematics, Shubhankar Vishwas. First in Master of Science in Physics, Ipshita Kaur. First in Master of Science in Applied Geology, Shubhankar Dev. First in Master of Science in Food Processing and Nutrition Sciences, Devaroti Roy. First in Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering. This is the list of students who have secured first position in their respective branches. First in Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Payali Chatterjee. First in Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science and Technology, Ayon Ghatok. First in Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical Engineering, Pritosh Ghosh. First in Bachelor of Engineering in Information Technology, Gaurav Agarwal. First in Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, Orijit Mohapatra. First in Bachelor of Engineering in Metallurgy and Materials Engineering, Ovik Dev. First in Bachelor of Engineering in Mining Engineering, Gujala Yasan Kumar. First in Bachelor of Architecture, Joyita Chakraborty. Now list of members. Shindubala Mitra Memorial Medal awarded to Rushita Chakraborty. First in Master of Business Administration Examination 2011 under the Faculty of Social and Management Sciences. Arun Chandra Mitra Memorial Medal awarded to Shubhankar Vishwas. Master of Science in Applied Mathematics. First in Master of Science Examination 2013 under the Faculty of Basic and Applied Sciences. Professor S.C. Dasgupta Gold Medal awarded to Shubhankar Vishwas. Shubhankar again. First in Master of Science in Applied Mathematics Examination 2011 under the Faculty of Basic and Applied Sciences. Joyashriti Puraskar and Cash Prize for High Score in Mineralogy in MSc Applied Geology Examination 2011 awarded to Soumendra Roy under the Faculty of Basic and Applied Sciences. Let the candidates proposed and presented for various research, postgraduate and undergraduate degrees rise.